Okay, let's look at this one. This one's not quite as complicated as as the mixture problem, but let's read through and see what we get find. It says 4 friends use an online coupon to get discounts on concert tickets. They spent $312 for 4 tickets. So 312 for 4 tickets. And they did it at a discount. What was the price of 1 ticket without the discount? Okay, so now I'm going to look down here. They've given us a chart. There are 4 tickets. We don't know the price of the ticket. So I'm going to go ahead and call that my variable P for price of the ticket, because that's what I'm trying to figure out. I'm trying to figure out the original price of 1 ticket. I know they tell us here that the discount was $15. So if and the total amount they spent was 312. Well, if I were just trying to figure out the price of a ticket, of how much they spent, let's pretend there was no discount. I would just have four tickets. Oh goodness, my pen's not working. 4 tickets at the price, 4p would equal 312, right? That's if there were no discount. But I know that I had a $15 ticket, a $15 discount on every single ticket. So that means that the discounted price is P minus $15, right? So this is the discount price. Well, that should help me know what to do. The discounted price is P minus 15. I know they bought 4 of them, so I had 4 times the discounted price, which is P minus 15, should equal the total that they paid, which was 312. I'm going to cross that out so I don't confuse you. All right, now we're just solving an equation. This is our equation, and I know that I have to start by distributing. Let me switch colors so you can kind of see. Distribute. So 4 times P is 4P. 4 times negative, remember this negative doesn't go away. 4 times negative 15 is negative 60. Goodness, my handwriting is not good. Equals 312. So now I'm going to try to get P by itself. So I want to eliminate the constants on this side. Here's my constant on this side. It's negative 60. I'm going to do the opposite. So that would be add 60. So I know that 4P equals 372. And see, that's what it would have been if it were the original price. It's that here it is, and I've taken away the discount. Okay, so now I've got 4 multiplying by my price. So I'm going to do the opposite, which is divide. And that gives me, pull out my trusty calculator, 372 divided by 4, which equals 93. So P equals $93. And that is my the original price of 1 ticket without the discount.